and Ruby's snowy day. Zoom, said Max, we need to have to go outside if you want to go sledding, said Max's sister Ruby. Zoom, said Max. Okay, Max. I will get our snowsuits. Ruby puts on Max's blue snowsuit and her own purple snowsuit. Now, mittens, boots, and scarves, said Ruby. Ruby puts on Max's red mittens and his matching red scarf and boots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She put on her own yellow scarves and her
yellow
mittens and her matching yellow scarf and boots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 4, 5. Zoom, said Max. Zoom, said Ruby.
Good job, Belle.
Mommy, can I read the back?